Hi guys, in this video I will show you that how you can download and install the Uber app on your PC or laptop. So let's begin our video. First you have to open up your any browser, and here in the Google search box just type the Uber and hit the enter. And now the first website will come up which says the explore the Uber platform. Just click on the website to open it. So once you open the website, here you will find the option of install on the top, and if you don't find here, just click on the three dot option you are seeing and then go to the save and share option you are seeing here. So once you go to the save and share option, you will find the option of create shortcut here, and if you don't find the create shortcut option, then you will also find the option of install Uber app on the top. So just go to the three dot and go to the save and share option, and then click on the install page as app. So once you click on that, it will give you the option to install. Just click on the install, and then this app will start installing into your PC. And now this app was open, and now here you can simply sign in or sign up to your account, and this works same as your website. And you can also uninstall it, and the shortcut of the Uber app was also created onto your desktop, so you can access it anytime. And guys, this is how you can download and install the Uber app on your PC. And guys, if you find this video helpful, so please like it and also do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.